discussion, Representative Proctor.
I am incredibly disappointed with what we ended up with for disabled veterans this year, especially because what we're actually putting in costs the same as the House bill that never made it to the floor this year that would have exempted 100% disabled veterans at 75%. We were told that was too much money, but now we're putting this program in that is not going to be nearly as beneficial for our disabled veterans as the House bill that has not been considered this year. We're in a race, colleagues. Every year we separate 3,000 veterans from our installations at Fort Leavenworth and at Fort Riley and at McConnell Air Force Base, and they are packing up their families. They're taking their degrees, their advanced degrees, their job skills, their spouses' degrees, advanced degrees, job skills, and they're moving to Texas, and they're moving to Florida, they're moving to Nevada, they're moving to Alaska because they have this disabled veteran property tax exemption that we don't have. Meanwhile, we've got something like 60 to 80,000 jobs that are unfilled. I'm not going to stand up here and do public math, but if we could hang on to those people, it would not take long to fill that workforce gap. So whether we understand it or not, we're in a race, and we're not going to hang on to them with what we're doing here today. We got it to the governor last year. It was packaged with a bunch of stuff that none of us liked, and she vetoed it. And we were told next year. And now we're being told next year. So I hope that next year is the year that we finally decide that we want to keep this talent in our state. I'm going to support the bill because there's a lot of good stuff in this bill, but for the same amount of money that we're spending on increasing or changing the income calculation for the property tax freeze, we could have hung on to all of our 100% disabled veterans that are going to pack up and go to Texas and Florida.